Today we got us a black and white poster collection. We were able to score at our local Target. We got this, a binder, 2 tins, man, and a single Destin Riles pack. Man, I think my phone has run out of space about 10 videos in a row now, so that's why you guys keep seeing me glitch in and out. And after digging into my YouTube algorithm app, noticed that about 90% of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed, man. You guys should hook me up, hit that subscribe button. Helps out me, helps out the channel. More subscribes, likes, and comments we can get, the more money I can pull in, the more stuff we can open, man. Nothing out of the black side. Alright. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice. White side's gonna be my hits, huh? Okay. It's not bad. I like Pokeballs in this one. This is nice. This look good.